Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lesleyanne and I make lifestyle videos. Today I'm just looking at the dogs down here. Look, there you go. They're after a treat. Right, what do you want? What do you want? Sit, 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 Teddy, sit. Teddy, sit. Elsie, good girl. Teddy, sit. Sit. Good boy. There we go. It's one of those days that I can't be bothered. Not with stuff indoors, but can't be bothered. I'm not putting on a face. I've still got jammy bottoms on. I just stuck a top over the top of my top. Yeah, cannot be asked to do it today because I've got things to do. I'm going to do housework today, but I'm going to start my day off with prepping all the vegetables to make a stew, so I'll do that in a minute. But I've got washing to do, I've got presents to start wrapping. You are not taking that tree outside. Have you seen outside? It's Jack Frost out there. No. Right, let's start prepping, shall we? Start with chopping up an onion. Ted, what are you doing all that snoring for, eh? Spend Christmas with me. No more long distance love. Come home and spend Christmas with me. I'm going to put this on to saute. I'm going to pop just a little tiny bit of olive oil in the bottom. Oh. Go on then, but you're going to be paying your backside, aren't you? Right, go, quick. Right, so the saute's on, and I'm going to just put my onions in, just to saute them down a little bit. You don't have to do this at all, just something I kind of like doing. Then I'm going to just chop some carrots up, which I've previously washed and just popped them in the fridge. But I'm not going to peel them. I'm just going to sort of top and tail them and chop them. Because I can't be bothered really. And also, you know, you're not wasting anything, are you, by doing that? I'm going to put some garlic in ours. You don't obviously need to do this. It's just something that we like. So I will just literally just take some like that. And then I'll just... And then I'm going to add a leek. So everything's sauteing nicely here, look. I don't always do this. Sometimes I just put everything in and just put it on and leave it to do its magic, especially if it's chicken. But I'm going to be using some diced beef, so I just want to sort of brown it off a little bit. Oh, Teddy's found a piece of carrot that I dropped. Some of these pieces are quite big, so I will just sort of like halve them a bit, just so it goes a little bit further. Right, okay, let's get this in. So I've got the beef in. I'll probably just give it a few more minutes, and then I'll turn it off the saute and add everything else. I've got these potatoes I need to use up, so I'm just literally cutting them up without peeling them because they are like the tiny baby ones. And then I've got a sweet potato I need to use. So this will cook down to kind of like a bit of a mush, but it will also help to thicken the stew. Adding some water now. So it has a minimum and a maximum water line. So I'm a little bit under the maximum. I'm going to put some stock cubes in now. This is a chicken one. I'm just kind of using bits that I've got really. Doesn't make any odds. I have got some beef ones that go in as well, but this also does add a nice flavour to it. So this is one of the little stock pots. Oh, that's gone in. These are the beef ones, so I'll just pop these in. If you want to, you can use like hot water, but I've never really found I need to, and rather than put the kettle on again, it will just heat up in the slow cooker or the Instapot. I'm putting in 3 beef stock cubes, so it's nice and beefy. And then salt and pepper to season. I always add Worcester sauce because I add Worcester sauce to absolutely loads of stuff. It kind of like gives it a whole new taste. And then finally, I add my pulses. So I have got pearl barley here. I don't measure it, I just kind of do like a handful. So I've got a handful of pearl barley, and then I'm going in with the red split lentils, a handful. I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it's looking like now. So my maximum line is here. I don't know if you can see that, is here. And I'm just under. So I'll pop this on now. And that'll be ready for dinner tonight. And what I will do a bit later on is make some dumplings and pop them in here. And I'll show you what it looks like at the end of the cooking. I'll see you in, I don't know, several hours time, maybe before, but it depends what I'm up to today. So probably not an awful lot, to be fair. I've just said, I am going to hoover the lounge. I do need to do that. And I'm going to sweep the floors downstairs, hoover our little lounge. I've got washing to do. I don't think I'm going to do much else really. I might start wrapping up some Christmas presents because I've got some of those, they're all over the table actually ready, so I'll probably do that. But yeah, I'll kind of come backwards and forwards. Let me show you what it looks like outside. So you got old Jack Frost. We still haven't got this furniture away into the garage. I can't do it on my own, Chris can't do it. And Chris likes to know where he's putting stuff, so it's not something everyone or anyone else can really do. He's a bit fussy about that, but we'll see, he might have to. Got my flowers all icy. Whoops. There we go. And yeah, the sky is now brilliant blue and gorgeous, and the sun's coming out, and it's going to come down and it's going to melt all of this. And there we go. So I've gone for these, like the medium setting, and it's on for 6 hours. So there we go. Show you what it's like when it's finally done.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers.